Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the foremost flower browsers on your Redmi Note 12. So I'm going to start from the Firefox. If you have this welcome screen, just click here and that's it. If you have any tab opened before, just click on the tab icon, switch to the zero mask and click on this little plus. That's it. The next one, Microsoft Edge. Click on the tab icon, switch to the in private and click on this plus. The next one, Google Chrome. Click on the three dot icon or arrow icon, choose the new Incognito tab and just type the address here. And the last one, Opera. In this web browser, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And now your history, cookies, completed forms, even the saved words in the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.